Hi, this is set 5 showing just two image, video and PowerPoint or whatever mixing screens. So scene 1 looks like this, scene 2 looks like this. So let's have a setting how we made this kind of curve screen. So if you go back to setup, I will bring the screen to show you. Right now you see here, if you double click the eStudio, you can see this kind of menu. I will bring this one, desktop 4, which is another screen here. So if you double click, you show this. Again, if you double click, you will see there is a menu, so you can use eStudio exe. So I can just bring eStudio menu like this. And from here, scene 1 setup, if you go there, you will see the foreground. I mean this animation we can put in all the way back, -135. And then the foreground, we can have this one is located in -6. So the -135, -6, there's a foreground background. So you can select anything to have a different feeling. Let's see this one what happens. So you will have this kind of picture. To make more concentration, they can do this kind of way. Anyway, this is the way how we make an actor and monitor. Right now, if you look at the monitor, so monitor has the input here. So if you look at in monitor, we have some data here, and you see this monitor has a curved. So if you see the monitor frame, and then in the monitor frame, you see this is frame type is fit. Fit means all the monitor content we always showing all, but whenever you resizing, they will show this one inside of this size, and then you can put the frame thickness area to make this area, the thickness of the area you can control. By the way, let's go to the actor, see what the actor is. Actor has a actor frame. We have a frame like this, but there's a crop, which means we really crop the area of actor to show in right amount in the screen. So that's a small study how we make a cropping and fitting there. So we have a scene 2 like this. So from here we just make a curved, which means the actor. If you go to actor, so we have a slightly curved, which means this part in actor we make a curved value 19.3a, something like that. So what we did is we just click this right button and drag. So if you put the right button and drag, you see the actor is curved and moved. And then if you move here, left click and rotation, you will see how the actor size is coming out. After that, we just go to monitor, same way they did in monitor. Monitor has a curve, slightly curve. You can make more curve. Pressing right button on the size, you see this kind of curve coming out. And you can rotate here too. So you just make a rotation, so you will see beautiful frames like this. So using this way, we do some PowerPoint presentation. Let's go back to PowerPoint. And this is a PowerPoint slide. We have the video. If you double click, I mean this part, the PowerPoint showing the YouTube link. So what we trying to show YouTube link, you just make a double click here. So which is showing, for example, we have this screen. So again, I will show you what this showing after we double click the desktop and Windows button in the content list. You will see desktop 4. So I click this one, then you show the desktop 4. Again, we have a YouTube, so if you click this one, I mean in YouTube you have this is really, and you can play possible now. So you can go this way, or you can make a right click to make a full screen. So they can show all the YouTube video very easily like this. Really bring the that's the way how we make a beautiful presentation using this. I hope you enjoy my presentation, and you can do the same way I'm doing.